In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this drawing. It's part of the Button Maker project. It's the handle subassembly. I'm going to start by first verifying the front view of my assembly. If this is not your front view, you're going to want to orbit around, position that as your front view. If it's not, you're going to come over here to this command here, this little pull-down menu, and go to Set Current View as Front. Make sure that's your front view. I'm going to start out by first going to Projects and verifying that there's a check next to my Button Maker project, and I'm going to hit Done. I'm going to create a new drawing. Create a new base view, and I'm going to select my handle assembly. I'm going to place my front view, hit OK. I'm going to project a side view like this, and then I'm going to put an ISO view up here, right mouse button, and create. I'm going to reposition these, move this up a little bit. I'm going to I'm going to annotate this view here, zoom in a bit. I'm going to go to Annotate. I'm going to create a center line here. Select this center and this center here. Move my cursor down a bit and click, and that ends my command, and there's my center line. If I hit Escape, now I could select the line and I could drag this up a bit, lengthen this line, and I could lengthen this line also. I'm going to come down here and go to my center mark tool, and I'm going to hit the outermost circle here. That puts my center mark. I hit Escape, and now I could select this line and drag it up a bit. I'm going to create a section view. I'm going to go back to Place Views, and I'm going to create a section view. It's going to ask me to select a view. I'm going to select this view here. And then I'm going to zoom in here and grab this line here. Zoom down here. Zoom in, make sure you grab the line, the center line. Like that. And then I'm going to come down and grab this center line here. Come down here and go straight down and click and right mouse button, continue, and I'm going to put my you can see that it wants to put my cross-section view down. I'm going to place it down here to the right. I'm going to go back to Annotate. I'm going to place a parts list. It's asking me to select a view, and I'm going to select this as my view. And hit OK. I'm going to place my parts list down right there. I'm going to adjust the widths of these columns, I'm going to drag, narrow that column, narrow that column as well. Widen this column so that it looks like that. Drag this across here. I'm going to place my balloons, select balloon, and I'm going to try to, if I try to select the handle insert, it wants to select the rubber handle. I'm going to point up here and select click and right mouse button continue. And I don't want my arrow to be there, so I'm going to hit escape and I select the leader, and I could once I could grab this small green dot and move it, and I'm going to place it here. If I place it on this edge here, it'll be it's going to be hard to tell if I'm pointing to this part or to this part. That makes it pretty clear that I'm pointing to the insert, and that's item 8. I'm going to select the balloon again. I'm going to point to the rubber handle. Right mouse button continue. I'm going to point to this same thing here. Here it wants to select the rubber handle. I'm going to click here. Right mouse button continue. Hit escape, and I'm going to grab this part and I can move this down. Position it here. Notice that it changes the arrow to a dot. I'm going to zoom in here and identify these parts. I'm going to zoom in here and select this part here. Make sure I select that part there. It's item number 4. I'm going to select, hit escape. I'm going to select this line, and I'm going to reposition the cursor, the arrow, so that it's pointing to the center of the part. Now I'm going to designate that there are 2 per each of these locations. I'm going to go to my text, place my cursor here. I'm going to type in capital X space 2, hit OK. Zoom in and hit escape. Select this and move it. I'm going to Control C, hit escape, and then Control V allows me to place a copy, place another copy, and another copy. Hit escape, and there's my drawing. I'm going to want to save this as sub-assembly handle. export a copy to PDF and submit it to LMS.